Good morning again, second graders. This is time for math, and we are in chapter 12, the chapter practice. I know that we skipped a page. Don't worry about it. This is what I want you to know. All right, so the chapter practice for lesson number 1 says this. Use a number line to add and subtract lengths. Number lines are awesome. We get to use them. If you understand how to use number lines, you will go far in math. You throw a ball 12 yards. Your friend throws it back 8 yards. How far is the ball from you? So it says you throw the ball 12 yards. So we start at 0 and we go all the way up to the 12. You throw it and it goes 12 yards. Your friend throws it back to you. That means that it goes this way, right? If you're standing here to start with and you throw it this way, your friend throws it back, it goes back this way. 8 yards. So what can we do with a number line? We count back 8 from this place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where your friend threw it back. 8 yards. Right? You threw it 12, your friend threw it back 8. How far is the ball from you now? Remember, you're still standing here. It is 4. So how does this look like a math problem? When I'm looking at this, I say that we threw it 12 yards, then took away 8 of those yards, and how many are left? 4. 4 yards. The ball is 4 yards from you. All right. Lesson number 2, and I'm sorry, we are on page 605. Lesson 2, we were solving length problems and using our problem-solving skills. Your cat's first collar was 6 inches long. Now your cat has a collar that is 13 inches long. Your puppy's collar is 11 inches long. How much longer is your cat's collar now? Well, let's circle our information. Your cat's first collar, 6 inches long. Now, your cat's collar is 13 inches long. Your puppy's collar, that's numbers, that's information here, is 11 inches long. What does it ask? How much longer is your cat's collar now? Well, I know my cat's collar, this, my cat's collar, that, my puppy's collar. Does this ask anything about my puppy's collar? No, I don't need that information. They put information into this math problem that I don't need. And this is the face that I'm making. What? Why is that there? All right, don't be tricked. Now, let's see. They gave us some pictures. Let's find out. The collar now. Now your cat's collar is 13 inches long. Your cat's first collar, 6 inches long. I need to find out this. What can I do with my knowledge, with us knowing how to make these numbers move around to get an equation where all of my numbers are on this side and what I need to find out is on that side? Let's see. 6 plus something equals 13. No, that's the something is separated. Something plus 6? No. 13 minus something? No, that's together. There we go. 13 minus 6 equals something. So let's do that. 13 minus 6 will tell us the answer to what we want to find out. So 13 minus 6, I can set it up like this. I can do it in my head. I can count up from 6. I can count down. If I say 3 and then I try to take away 6, there's not enough. So I can take this 10 from here, add it to the 3. Now I have 13. 13 minus 6. You're right. It's 7. So my question mark is 7. And the answer to the question, how much longer is your cat's collar now? 7 inches. All right, let's turn the page over to 606. 12.3. Problem solving with missing measurements. You must be 54 inches tall to ride a roller coaster. At 8 years old, you were 48 inches tall. You grow 3 inches next year. How much more do you still need to grow to be able to ride the roller coaster? So let's see what we have. We have 54 inches tall. That's part of our information. At 8 years old, 8 years. I'm going to circle it because it's a number, but don't start thinking, what can I do yet? You were 48 inches tall. You grow 3 inches the next year. How much more do you still need to grow to be able to ride the roller coaster? Now, what are we trying to find out? We're trying to find out how much you need to grow. And we're talking about inches. So let's look back at the information that we've circled. 54 inches, 48 inches, 3 inches, 8 years. If I'm trying to find out inches, then I don't need to know the number of years. So I don't need that for my problem. All right, let's keep thinking. We are 54 inches tall, or you need to be 54 inches tall to ride a roller coaster. You were 48 inches tall, and you grew 3 inches. So if I say that you were 48 inches tall, and you grew 3 inches, that's 48 plus 3. 48 plus 3, 48, or 8 plus 2 would be 10, plus 1 more than 2 is 11. So the 1 goes here, and the 10 goes there. 1 plus 4 is 5. So you were 48, you grew 3 inches. You need to be 54 inches. How much do you need to grow in order to get to 54? Let's find out. 54, and you're going to take away what you already are to find the difference. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 5 more is 0, so I don't have to write that there. How much more do you need when you are 51 inches tall? How many more inches do you need to count up to get to 54? You need 3 more inches. All right, I'm going to leave this one for you to try on your own. And let's go to 12.4. A kangaroo jumps 24 feet. A frog jumps 19 feet less than the kangaroo. How far does the frog jump? So this is another example where I get to draw my lines. I don't have to measure 24 real feet because that would not fit on my paper. I get to just draw a line. A kangaroo jumps 24 feet. A frog jumps 19 feet less than the kangaroo. So here we go. Kangaroo, K for kangaroo, jumps 24. A frog jumps 19 feet less than the kangaroo. Not 19 feet, 19 feet less. So it doesn't tell me the frog, there's my F for frog, jumps 19 feet less. This is 19 feet. I'm trying to find out, how far does the frog jump? This is what I'm trying to find out. So, again, I can say something plus 19 is going to equal 24. I can say 19 plus something is going to equal 24. 24 minus something is going to equal 19. Or 24 minus 19 is going to equal what we're trying to find out. The one equation, right, 2 addition and 2 subtraction, the one equation that has all of my numbers on the right side, on the correct side together, 24 minus 19 is going to equal what I'm trying to find out. So here we go. I'll just do it right up here. 24 minus 19. 4 minus 9. If I have 4, I try to take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I can't do it. There's not enough. So I stop and I take this 10 and I put it with the 14. Now I put it with the 4 to make 14. Now I don't have 2 10s anymore. I just have 1 10. 14 minus 9 equals 5. This, right, the answer to this problem is the answer to my question mark. My question mark is 5. How long or how far does the frog jump? 5 feet. All right, I will leave this bottom one for you to work on. I want you to practice this. I want you to practice this. If you want to go back over the problems that we've been working on in this last chapter, 12, 1, 2, 3, or 4, if you have questions, you can bring them to your teacher, bring them to us, and ask us at the whole group meeting or the small group, and get ready for the end of this week when we take an assessment. All right. Thank you, boys and girls. I hope you have a great day.